Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Gamma app, effortless AI design for presentation, websites, and more. Okay, so what you can do with it is pretty amazing. Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure that some of you who are actually are working, for example, in the marketing field, okay, they already using Canva or maybe PowerPoint or anything else. Okay, who knows? You might even combine that with the AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or others. Okay. By the way, before we move on, I will be leaving the link inside the description of this video to my free prompts for marketers, and I think that's something which you really like it. Okay, so guys, don't forget to sign up and get those prompts for free. So Gamma.app is also helping you guys with this by actually combining everything in one place. Okay, so instead of jumping between, like a ChatGPT, Canva, PowerPoint, or any other tool you're using, okay, you actually can do it in one go, okay? I'm not saying that you don't use the other tools, okay? It's nice, you can still do it, okay? But look what you can actually do with Gamma, okay? So you can create presentations, okay? You can do the stunning slides with consistent branding in minutes, export to PPT, Google Slides, and more. You can create documents, show-stopping proposals, PDF, visual aids, and more, lighting fast and on topic, right? Social media, very important for marketers, especially not only for marketers, for anyone who actually creating social media. So you can definitely this tool can help you out with this, okay? And also you can create websites, okay? Business sites, landing pages, portfolios, and more, right? There's also an API, but on the beta stage. Okay, so connect to Gamma programmatically, automate creation, integrate with your tools, and scale your storytelling. So if you're into the coding, okay, you also might be interested in Gamma from the API perspective. Okay, and they're already being used by Amazon, Adobe, Vertel, Zoom, and others. Okay, so yeah, that's the landing page, pretty sleek. All right. And the most important thing with this is that you actually can go and start for free. Okay, so once you sign up, and it's easy as signing up with your email address. Okay, so you'll be ended up in this starting page where they're gonna ask you a couple of questions. For example, you need it for personal use, for work, for education. So let's say you need it for work. Which of the following best describes your role? And there you go. There are a few things which you can actually mention. You can also, if none of those are something which describes your work, okay, you can also click other. Okay, but anyway, let's go click with the marketing, how many people work with in your organization. Okay, so that's basic goals. They want to make tailor this application to specifically to your needs, right? So that's why they're asking those questions. Okay, so let's say that we're going to create this or that, and anything, whatever you prefer. Okay, and there we go. Once we click on it, okay, and let's start in charge. We're actually no, not now, okay, but you can opt in, and they're gonna send you this some sort of marketing emails from time to time. Now, this is a homepage, okay? This is a real homepage, okay? So what we can do, we can paste in the text, generate and create from one line prompts in a few seconds, and import file or URL. You can also do that here, enhance existing talks, presentations, or web pages, okay? Or you can remix the template. So fill in and customize your structured content templates for fast, consistent outputs, right? That's in beta, okay? So that's something that they still testing, okay? So you need to know about it, okay? And here, create from notes and outline over existing content. Let's say that you are here on ChatGPT. Okay, you got already have your outline ready. You just want to go copy and paste. There we go. You can put it here, right? But let's say that you don't have any other tool. Like you might have any other tool, but you want to go and create everything from scratch here on Gamma app. You simply create, generate, and there we go. You got a few options to choose from. Okay. So what would you like to create today? We can create a presentation, web page, document, or social. Okay, that's so cool because social is also included. So if you run for yourself or for your clients an Instagram accounts, Facebook, or any other, you can definitely do that here as well, right? And here we go, a few options. You can choose how many cards you need. Cards are basically, you can read it as a pages, okay, between one and so many others, like even 75, but that's something which you need to have a paid subscription for it, okay? Up to 10 cards, you can still use it for free, okay? So let's say that we're gonna do like 4 cards, okay? Default, like a page style, we can do the traditional, tall, or default, okay? So let's say, let's stick to the default, and we got it so many languages you can choose from. So whoever is watching this video, pretty much it's gonna be covered. Okay, so now example prompts. Okay, here we go. There are a few example prompts. Okay, unconventional marketing successes or failures, product launch, GTM plan, building and maintaining relationships with customers, team all hands, pitch deck for digital marketing trends. There you go. Let's go click on socials, right? Time management secrets, right? Classroom management, Gen Z marketing fails that make you look anxious and then some warming. Your email habits are sabotaging your success. Okay, so let's say that we're gonna click this one, right? There you go. It's something which you can definitely put it everything with yourself. I'm just showing you guys, from scratch how you can do it, and I'm choosing to, random prompt and see what's happened next. Okay, now let's go and click generate outline, right? And once we generate outline, okay, this tool it start working right away for us, okay. And the thing is that it's gonna give us the full idea what this the whole thing is gonna be about, right? Which is absolutely fantastic. The reason behind it is because we definitely, before we click the generate next, okay, we know what we can expect, okay. So here is the outline. Your email habits are sabotaging success, the email time trap, okay. Here is the second, third, and fourth card available for us, which is absolutely fantastic, because that's something we can go and create with the ChatGPT, Claude, or any other tool. But here you go, that's built in inside the Gamma, so we don't have to use the other tools if you don't want to, all right? Now, text content you can do with a minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive, right? Visuals, okay, here you go. You can choose one of those themes, okay? There are so many other themes out there as well. I'm pretty sure they're even more available if you choose the paid option. But let's say that we click this one here, okay? Image source, okay, we can create the image, with the stock photos, web images, AI images, illustrations, animated GIFs, or automatic, right? Okay? Automatically select best images for stock photos, like I think let's go with stock photos, right? So we see what's happened, but you can also go with this, with the AI images, which is absolutely fantastic. But remember, if you choose AI images, this gonna cost you additional credits, okay? And you can also go and you can you can choose particular AI image model, okay? So you can go with all those models, like looks, even the Flux models are available here. Ideogram is here. So many different models are available for you guys to use it, right? So you definitely somebody. There's no way you can find something for yourself, okay? Which is cool, very very cool. And also you can go if you choose let's say that you choose the AI image model, and then you can also choose the style the same way like you do it on the other those type of softwares, like in Ideogram or any other, right? You can put extra keywords if you want, you can choose one of those options here available. Everything is available for you, right? But I'm very interesting how it goes when we choose the stock photos. Okay, I'm really interested in that, right? So now let's go and generate, okay, and see what happens. Okay, so now remember, guys, this is all based on the credits, right? I'm gonna show you in a minute how much it doesn't cost you if you want to go pro. But for the moment, we're using the free version, and this is gonna costing us 400 credits to generate this 4 slides for us, right? So it's something which you have to bear in mind. Okay, if you want to go and generate something more than that, okay, the price will go up. By price I mean credits. So you definitely need to consider to have more credits in store if you want to go ahead and start creating more amazing products. This time we only generated, like, not only like social media, okay, and the 4 slides, and there we go. Look, not even a minute, and here we go. It's created creating those designs in front of our eyes. Is it not amazing, guys? What do you think? Okay, I think it's absolutely fantastic. Look at this. You can definitely something. You made your first gamma. It's easy to customize. Show more. Okay, here we go, and it's give you some informations. You know how we can actually edit because everything is editable here. All right, so there we go, and now we got this all been set here. And when we want to go ahead and do some changes to it, look, it's everything is editable. Okay, you can go and can change the number if you wish. Okay, and you can definitely put something different if you wish, or delete it. Right, everything here is fully customizable for you guys. You can go and change the font. You can change the head, text tables, list, everything. It's available here. It's amazing, guys. It's something which, guess what? If you want to go and create this type of stuff in using, let's say, even a Canva, which is very popular and very amazing, by the way. You know, I really enjoy using Canva, but it takes the time for you guys to create something like this, don't you think? Okay, it takes some time. Here, we are not, we are about 10 minutes in the video, okay, well, with me chatting to you guys what to do. And if I would be going straight away right after clicking, submit and go, okay, I'm pretty sure that this presentation will be ready to go within the 5 minutes, right? So this is amazing, guys. So guys, I think that's all. Oh no, by the way, before we move on, I still have to go and do some sort of pricing for you, right? Because that's what I promised you guys a few minutes ago, that I'm going to show you how much does it cost you. Okay, so there are a few options. If you go pay monthly and annually, I like to start monthly. Okay, and once I'm happy with the software, I can switch to annually, no problem. Okay, it gives us additional, and this particular thing at 28%, which is cool. Now with the pay monthly, okay, you got it for $10. You got 1,000 monthly credits. All right, and everything what you can see here is included. For Pro, for $25, right, you got 4,000 credits, and for Ultra, for $100, you got 20,000 credits. That's for the heavy users, right? And if you go, that's for the a single person. If you work in a team, here we go. You can go and start with the 20 per seat. Okay. So if you got a few people working in your team, you just need to go ahead and update this number here. And for the business, it's $40 per seat. Okay. With the amazing 10,000 monthly credits per seat, right? Guys, I think that's all what I want to cover inside this video. Remember about my free giveaway, okay? I'll be leaving the link inside the description of this video as well. If you like this content, please hit the like button. If you got any questions, leave it down below. And thank you very, very much for watching.